Namaskar friends, welcome to Business Fortnight. Today we are going to interview Mr. Sanjay Yadav Rao. He is founder Global Kokan and Kokan Bhumi Pratishthan. These organizations help farmers in farming and marketing of Alphonso and Hapus variety of mangoes. In this interview we will talk about King of Mango Alphonso and its farmers from Konkan region. These farmers are facing many challenges to sell their produce. The reason is growing corona cases and the restrictions imposed by government. We will also be talking about various aspects of Alphonso, its farming, packing and marketing. Let us start the interview. Welcome Mr. Sanjay. Please tell about yourself and your organizations as well as Alphonso.
Namaskar. I'm Sanjay Yadav Rao, founder Global Kokan and Myco, the first farmers international brand of Alphonso mangoes. Alphonso is world's best fruit. A mango is the king of fruit and Alphonso is king of mangoes. So entire world is crazy for Alphonso, and our Konkan region, especially Ratnagiri, Sindhudurga, Devgarh, this region, the world best mango is produced in this region.
As you said, Alphonso is king of mangoes. Can you please tell us how big is its kingdom? I mean its production and its market share, etc.
Alphonso mango is Konkan's economy. It is around 3,000 crore economy. We have more than 4 lakh acres of Alphonso cultivation, especially in Sindhudurga and Ratnagiri district, and some of the cultivation in Raigad and Thane district. So Konkan, this region produces around 2 crore mango boxes. Mangoes are sold in boxes. So in terms of boxes, one box is 15 kg. So we sell around 2 crores mango boxes every year.
2 crore boxes a year. It's a quite impressive figure. Now please tell us what are the challenges Alphonso farmers are facing right now.
This year there is a big problem. Last year and this year the farmer works in his farm for throughout the year. He needs to put fertilizers, then pesticides, then labor, then packing, then harvesting. So many expenses, and farmer get this money for his hard work in the month of April and May. And unfortunately, both last year and this year, this Corona, lockdown and Alphonso season, they are together. So there is limitation in transporting mangoes to Mumbai, Pune, then in selling mangoes. Farmers are facing so many difficulties. So entire economy of Alphonso was disrupted last 2 years, and Konkan is the only area in Maharashtra where is the self-respecting farmer never goes for suicide. They never beg to the government to help, but they try to find solution.
Yes, lockdown has impacted many businesses. Alphonso farmers are one of them. Please tell us how your organization is going to help Alphonso farmers to overcome this situation.
So last year and this year also, farmers are trying hard to sell their mangoes. They are personally coming to Pune and Mumbai. All our youth are helping. So many organizations like our Global Kokan and Kokan Bhumi Pratishthan, we are helping farmers to take their best crop of the world to Mumbai, Pune, and we are trying to export also.
As you said, you are trying to increase the export of Alphonso. Can you please tell us what are the big markets you are looking at and what is the current situation of exports?
In export, the Gulf is a big market for Alphonso, and along with There is no restriction in especially United Kingdom. So United Kingdom, so many people are getting Alfonso. Europe market is also developing. In USA there is restriction, there is irradiation and other conditions. So there is limitation exporting. Even USA requires Alfonso, but there is some technical problem in USA.
Sanjay ji, besides exports, what is the scope of Alfonso in Indian market?
There is a big scope in export and still more big scope in India. Alfonso is marketed only in Mumbai and some of the Gujarat part. But if we market Alfonso in Delhi or in northern India or in southern India, then there will be a big market for Alfonso.
Recently, your organization has developed an online platform to sell Alfonso and Hapus. Can you please tell us about this platform and how it is going to help the farmers?
So Myco is a first global brand created for farmers of Konkan. 100 farmers from Konkan region, especially from Devgarh, Rajapur and Ratnagiri, came together, and 3 of our women entrepreneurs have created this high-tech mango platform, in which people can book Alfonso online and they get a home delivery of best quality Alfonso, which are naturally ripened, which is very carefully handled, because Alfonso is a very delicate fruit. It requires big care in handling. So proper handling, proper farmer, then proper harvesting, proper transportation. So many quality control things are taken care of by Myco, and people are getting extraordinary, original, naturally ripened Alfonso in their home, in their society.
Besides physical Kisan Bazaar and home delivery of Alfonso and Hapus through your Myco app, what are the other steps you are taking to improve or create awareness about Alfonso and its sales?
We are celebrating online mango festival this year, so that people can book mango on our website www.mycofoods.com is our website. Also people can ask for mangoes on phone number, so that, and we have representative all over in Maharashtra, Nagpur, Nashik, Pune, Mumbai, Thane. Also we are organizing mango bazaar, farmers mango market in Borivali, Parle, Thane, Kharghar, Kamothe, Pune, at so many places. In this critical time when farmer is in trouble, we have made arrangements to take farmers mangoes directly from their farms to the societies of Mumbai. This is again a big initiative, and last year we distributed around 10,000 boxes, and this year we have still more plans. So far we have exported mangoes in Holland, Germany and UK, and we have big plans of export also.
Sanjay ji, there is a malpractice issue in the market where Alfonso lookalike mangoes are being sold to the mango lovers. What is your comment on this?
We appeal people to support self-respecting Konkan farmers and get the best Alfonso which they have missed. There is big malpractices in market. This Karnataka Alfonso like looking mango is adulterated, is mixed in original Alfonso, so people are missing the original taste of the best taste of world's best fruit. So this, by the platform of Myco, we are making it possible for our farmers and for our mango loving consumers. Thank you.